Happening now, the U.S. Supreme Court is preparing for a second day of arguments on same-sex marriage. Yesterday, it was California's Proposition 8. Today, it's the Federal Defense of Marriage Act. ABC 7 News reporter Carolyn Tyler is live in Washington, D.C. at the Supreme Court with a preview. Good morning, Carolyn.
Good morning, Eric. I can tell you there are two major differences here today. One, it is much colder and there are fewer people in line and no dueling demonstrations today. On this, the second day, as you said, of back-to-back hearings here at the High Court on same-sex marriage. Yesterday, Prop 8, today, the Defense of Marriage Act, the law signed in 1996 that denies federal benefits to legally married same-sex couples. Let me show you the plaintiff. She is 83-year-old Edith Windsor, who married her partner in Canada back in 2007. When her wife died, Windsor paid more than $363,000 in estate taxes. The widow of a heterosexual spouse would not have had to do so. Former President Bill Clinton signed that law in 1996, but now says it doesn't honor the nation's principles of equality and justice. There are more than 1,000 federal benefits that same-sex couples cannot access, including the nearly 18,000 couples married in California before Prop 8 took effect. Yesterday, one of the justices said this is uncharted territory for the High Court going into these same-sex marriage issues. I will be inside today for what promises to be another day of fascinating debate. I'm going to bring you live reports tonight at 4, 5, and 6. And by the way, I will also be tweeting before and after the hearing at C. Tyler, ABC 7. Live in Washington, D.C. Here we go again, second day of hearings. Carolyn Tyler, ABC 7 News.